exhale, we're sweeping the hands back, squeezing the shoulder blades, and stepping left foot to meet the right. Utkatasana, chair pose. Lifting your chest, keep a nice long spine by tilting your pelvis, engaging your core. Inhale as we exhale, reach the hands up and see if you can go a little deeper. Take another inhale here. As we exhale, come all the way up to Tadasana. Inhale to reach the hands up, palms meet. Maybe going for a little back bend. Exhaling to hinge forward, folding forward, Uttanasana. Inhale for Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, hands come down to the mat. We step it back, plank pose. Knees, chest in or chaturanga on our exhale to cobra, upward facing dog on the inhale. Exhaling, downward facing dog. Take a round of breath.